Hello dear friends, today we learn the steps of cellulose degradation. Cellulose degradation consists of three steps. First, hydrolysis by endoglucanases. In this step, endoglucanases randomly attack the cellulose fibrils. Second is hydrolysis by exoglucanases. These enzymes act on the reducing end of the fragments to form either dimeric units or silobiose. Third is hydrolysis by beta glucosidase. The enzyme act on the dimeric units of glucose of silobiose to form monomeric units, that is glucose. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you so much.